Hi, I'm Dan Lee and I'm a chef ambassador for Maple from Canada, UK. And today I'll be making a smoked hay and maple treacle tart. So the inspiration for my smoked hay and maple treacle tart actually came from my appearance on Masterchef. So to make my smoked hay and maple treacle tart, I'm going to start by infusing my butter. I melt the butter in a pan, light some hay on fire, cover it with a lid, put it to one side for 1 hour. That's going to infuse that smoke flavour into the butter. Next up, I'm going to make my pastry, standard short crust pastry, where I've replaced the sugar with maple sugar to add more depths of flavour into the actual dish itself. I then chill the pastry before blind baking it, and then egg washing it and baking it again. So it's nicely cooked, I'm not going to get a soggy bottom. Use a peeler to clean your pastry out and it gets nice and even. So for the maple and smoked hay filling, pure maple syrup straight into the pan. And the reason I chose amber maple is because the smoky hay, even though it's quite an intense flavour, it will complement that maple syrup instead of overpowering it, and they actually balance each other quite well. Add the smoked butter. Bring it to a light simmer. Add in my breadcrumbs, my lime zest, egg yolk and cream. And then mix it all together. You're not cooking it out here, you're just mixing it together. Pull that off the heat. Fill that into your tart case. And then you bake your tart at 140 degrees for 22 minutes. Once it's finished, it'll come out nice golden top. You can brush it with some more maple syrup to give it a nice shine, and it keeps it nice and moist. A little bit of lime zest over the top, and you can serve it with clotted cream, whipped cream, whatever you like. And of course, more maple. So maple flakes, maple sugar, whatever you want to finish it with. For more recipe information, follow us on socials at Maple from Canada UK or head on over to the website.